It's me, Mikey Pipes, Monday, August 8th, 2022. I have to warn you, the video you're about to watch is for mature audiences only, and it does contain some very, very, very disgusting living conditions inside this home. So just want to throw that out there at the beginning. If you can't stomach it, stop watching now, and that's it. But if you're in the position where you can do something to help this individual out, I would appreciate it. Email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. All right, let's get going. You have a dog somewhere?
My dog.
Oh, okay.
Just sitting on the road.
Okay, no problem. It's John, right?
Yeah, I'm John.
Okay.
Okay. No.
Hi.
Ah, no!
No.
Grab him.
Grab. Oh, shit. Come here, good boy. Come on. Come here. Hey, come here. What's his name?
Hey.
King? King, come here, King. Come on. Come here. I guess he doesn't get out much.
No, he does this quite frequently. And we can take him out and walk him night. Myself and my daughter walk with the son.
King, come here. Come here. Let's see if I can be the dog whisperer. King. All right. Hope he doesn't get hit by a car. No. What was he chewing on? The wire?
Not the wire.
You said he ate a couple.
Wire.
You said he ate a couple computers. You said?
Yeah, cut the. He likes to cut the heads off.
The heads off computers?
Yeah, I could fix the computers, but they're down, and I don't have time.
So what was he doing? Is he eating the wire here?
Yeah. No, he liked this thing.
Oh, the insulation.
The insulation, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, let's take a look at things and see if. Okay. All right. We had the hum. Peter, take off that compartment. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, just preggers. Okay, and it's hot to the touch. You have a hose faucet nearby that works?
No.
No.
No, there's no handle.
We need some water. There's no handle. We need water. We need running water for the system.
Running water?
Yeah.
I don't know that. That's what I have.
Does it work if I put a thing on it?
I'll go downstairs and
Yeah,
turn it on.
let's turn that on.
Okay.
All right. Let me tell you what you Peter. Let's just take this off real fast. Grab that screw. Okay, grab that screw. Okay, this is a 45 dual. Okay, and she's hot as F. Yeah. She's hot as F, by the way. Okay, we need to get the system cooled off. I'm gonna grab a 40. What did I say? A 45. A 45. Hopefully, see if we can get the Titan HD. Not the Pro. See if we can get the one made in America. We need the cool presser. He's got a hose. I'm gonna go show a little more of the inside. I just want to go check the thermostat out again. Wish me luck. All right. You locked me out of here. There we go. Yeah, it's. Lock me out. There he is. Come on, let me back in. Did you get the water on?
No.
No?
No, I'm working on it.
Okay.
I need the flash on it. I look at my phone.
Because we need water. Is there another hose faucet?
No.
No? Just that one? Okay. You want me to turn it on for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know which one?
Yeah, I'll find
it is. I've gotten confused over the years. I'm gonna look. Well, water comes up from the ground.
Water comes up from the ground?
Yeah, there's ground.
Yeah?
Water. Yeah, there's
Okay.
a spring underneath the house.
Oh.
They told me that's to build up to build back. I can't make the bills here as it is. So.
Yeah, I hear you. It's not those.
You know, a couple of fuses are out.
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, can I get by it? Where is it?
No.
Where is it?
Be very careful. This shit.
Where is
The
it?
dogs. Okay, further.
Further.
Yeah. I didn't know the light wasn't working. When I came down here, I would have grabbed the bulb.
Okay.
So I have a system.
I see that. I need the hose faucet, sir. The hose faucet on that side of the house. It's not here.
It's not here?
No, it's not here. Let me come on. We gotta keep it moving. I can't spend all day here.
I realize that.
All right. So there's a hose faucet somewhere over here.
You know what? One of them is.
Yeah. Let me squeeze by here real quick.
One of them, I'm gonna put the dehumidifier.
That's the tub.
And I'll flood.
That's that. What's in this one?
Oh, you know what?
What?
It's up there. That's for outside. I'm sorry. I've been retired and sick for years.
There you go.
I
Okay.
just learned how to get out of
There you
bed.
go. Okay. All right. Let's get out of here. Let's go back outside. Okay.
That hose is running probably.
So really, maybe gotta get some professionals at it, clean up the basement. All that rainwater.
No, I'll pick that paper up and I'll put dry paper.
Oh, okay. I got cobwebs all
I'm
over.
going to take care of it at some
Yeah.
point. That's the job.
All right, let me go outside.
When it comes to
Get them both at the same time, huh? Okay. All right. All right, let's go see. Okay. There's the hose, cool presser. We good? Incoming. Okay. Peter's working on the dual capacitor. Okay. We still have some of the pros left. We'll utilize the remaining stock. We're replacing with the HDs. Good. Yep. They're all nice and tight.
Yep.
Okay, secure that in there.
It's a new one.
Yep, that's the new one. He's gonna need a couple of these. There you go. 2 screws. Good?
Yeah. Gotta get this one.
No, you're not good. You didn't screw it in yet.
Almost.
Now you're good? Yep. Good. All right. She's running. Got the compressor running. I'm going to carefully put on the door. And another one bites the dust. And let me tell you, I have no issue not identifying this unit that we worked on it. I do not want to be associated with this. No, this is not good. And this was actually, this weekend I turned on Google local service ads. All right, because, Pipe Doctor's a licensed New York City and Long Island plumbing and HVAC contractor that's been pre-screened and passed all of Google's background checks. So I turned it on, and I know it came because my auto attendant phone system tells me you have a call for, and it says Google LSA, all right? So I scammed Google. As soon as he called, I said, oh, I'm sorry, we don't service the area. I saved the $27 for the lead, and I disputed it, and then I called them right back, and I got the job, because Google has more money than I do. Yeah. All right, let's go Bosch, ladies and gentlemen. System is up and running, and you know what? I wasn't gonna do it, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. I wasn't gonna do it, Peter. I know, I really shouldn't. But you know what? Everyone, regardless of their living conditions... Why'd you take all these... Oh, okay. Come on, let's go. Everyone, regardless of their living conditions and, you know, financial status, we're all human. We all deserve to have good conditioned air. And I'm putting my sticker on this system. This pane. Oh, carrier. All right, 36 ton. 3 ton. There it is right there. I'm putting my name next to it. And I don't think we're going to be able to do much more here. All right? Because he didn't really like the build. But I got to give him something, you know? Got to give him something. I think we did what we can do, right? I think we did God's work just now. What do you think? Right? I think you should get like... Grace, right? Extra grace. And I did a mitzvah. Okay. You did the best you could do. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Do you have an email address, or you want us to mail you a receipt, copy of the receipt?
If you could mail it.
Okay, we'll mail a receipt. Okay. You're all set. You're all good. Just make sure you check the filters. Make sure they stay clean. Oh, King. Okay, very good. King rang away again. King.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Where is he? King! Where is he?
The house where the guy is, one house closer to that house right there.
You gotta be kidding me. Your dog's down the block.
That house to the right. First one.
Oh, man. If they know the dog runs away, at least why would they keep the door open, you know?
Put a gate up.
Wow. Pretty bad. Gotta find the dog. All right. We good?
Yep.
Say hi, Mom. I gotta tell you, that is probably the most disgusting house I have ever come across. How about you?
It's pretty bad.
You know, it was the last week we had the hoarder. At least it didn't smell. This one, that dog, basically is the king of the house. He basically destroyed that house. And downstairs, So on my receipt, and which I didn't really, mention to the guy, but I made him sign that we will not return to this property unless it's been cleaned and disinfected, because it is unsafe for human occupancy. I wasn't gonna be confrontational with the guy, right? But that's what I wrote down there. We're gonna mail him a copy of it, and that's it. Took some pictures on the receipt for the invoice, just so everyone's on the same page. But absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna just throw it out there, guys. What would you do? What would you guys do in the trades? Would you just walk right out and say, "Listen, I'm not servicing this property," or are you gonna try to be humble and just try to get it done as quickly as possible? But I don't know. I don't really know. Honestly, we went to the outdoor unit and started making that hum. I was like, all right, it's a dual capacitor. She's pregnant. Let me get this thing up and running and be up out of here. All right. And I was starting to wonder that, the hose faucet, that maybe he had no running water in the house. I was starting to think that, and because especially since he brought me down to the water main. You guys can see it in the video. He brought me down to the water main, but wow, sad. And for anyone who's watching who has some pull, we were in Glen Oaks, which is on the border of Nassau and Queens. So we are in New York City side of Queens. It is Glen Oaks. And if they want to, if someone has, maybe in some department of mental health or HUD or something, reach out to me and I will disclose the information to a government official. Hopefully we can get them some help. Because I even felt bad for the dog. Bad. Dog's basically tearing up the house. But all right, guys, my email address, mike@mikeypipes.com. Thanks for watching. Be well, God bless, stay safe.